Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the machine ready, now act. First, level the washer so it won't rock. Adjust each foot until the cabinet sits flat. Once done, attach the inlet hoses to the correct hot and cold taps and open the valves all the way so pressure is stable. Next, measure and add detergent. Use 0.5 to 1 tablespoon for small loads or 1 to 2 for medium. Make sure the drum is empty before you load clothes. Don't overfill it. You're loading now, so spread garments evenly around the drum and leave about a hand's width of space. This prevents imbalance during spin. Next, choose the cycle that matches fabric, delicate for silk, heavy for towels. Then set temperature, cold for colors, warm for regular, hot for whites. Also adjust spin speed and soil level to match load weight and dirtiness. After verifying settings, close the door firmly and press start. You've reached the finish. When the machine signals done, wait for the door lock to release before opening and unload promptly to prevent mildew. Make routine care a habit. Wipe the rubber gasket dry, leave the door ajar to ventilate, and run a monthly 60-degree maintenance wash with 1 cup of vinegar to clear residue. If the washer refuses to spin, check for an unbalanced load. Redistribute garments, and if needed, reduce to half capacity. This simple fix resolves most spin problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.